UEFA Champions League, another night of the UEFA Champions League. It is Arsenal versus Bayern Munich. Arsenal are hosting Bayern Munich. The fixture between Arsenal and Bayern Munich is a heavyweight clash in the UEFA Champions League, steeped in dramatic history and featuring two of Europe's most informed teams. You look at what Arsenal is doing in the English Premier League. They are running away with the English Premier League. Then also look at what Bayern Munich are doing in the Bundesliga in Germany. So these are the two teams that are in form and are dominating this season, are dominating their domestic leagues. So this match on match day 5 of the new league phase will likely determine the top seeding in the knockout stages. So the match